Oh, this was on Netflix. Do you want to say hello?
Hello, 안녕하세요.
I have front row seats.
Hi, you are beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much. This is what we came for. Cheers.
열차내 마스크를 착용하세요.
Take line 1. I think here. Good afternoon, YouTube. I'm in Seoul, South Korea, and it is in every way different from the country I was in just yesterday, the Philippines. In every way imaginable, it is different. Oh no. Look at all of these octopuses. Ooh, that looks really cool. All right, that's not where we're going, but I'm going down here. Whoa.
그때는 완전 따뜻할 때.
This is so cool. Yes. What is that? What's that? More octopus. Hello. What's the name?
It's UK.
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 UK. Oh, UK. Okay. Okay, maybe later. Thank you. Come. How do you say 감사합니다?
감사합니다.
감사합니다. Okay, 감사합니다. I think I'm gonna have to try this. It's everywhere. Raw beef, from my understanding. I've never. Look how many octopus there are. I don't think this is even the market. Is this the market I'm even going to? This might be a back entrance to the market that I'm going to. But I think it's a very large market. I don't know what that is. More octopus. More octopus. Oh my god. Look how many octopus there are. That's insane. I have no idea what anything is. This is day one. This is definitely the best place to go. Hands down. I'm gonna come here every day. Hello. Anyo miseo, I think is hello. I think. Manyo miseo? I don't think this is exactly what I'm looking for. I think there's a specific area where they're cooking in front of you. And right now we're in a market where they're selling kimchi. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited right now. But this isn't where I'm trying to go though. I don't know where the food is. There's so much you can buy. Okay, I haven't even gotten a chance to talk to you and tell you what I was thinking. I keep getting distracted. Whoa. What is that? Oh, that's crabs. Big crabs. I'm sorry, I'm gonna get distracted every 3 seconds. Oh. Oh, this was on Netflix. Oh, so the crabs with the.
커트해서 여기서 now eat, okay. Now eat.
Okay, okay.
One piece.
Okay, one. Perfect. So these crabs, I think these are soaked in soy sauce. This was on the Netflix show. So if you watch the episode of Street Food on Netflix, this is one of the stops that they made on that episode. She pointed to this store. Okay. Okay. So I think they soak the crab in soy sauce, and then you eat the roe. You eat the eggs on the inside of this crab. So if you saw this episode, actually I haven't even seen the episode, but if you saw the episode of Street Food on Netflix, they have an episode in Korea and they come right here and they eat this. They eat this crab in the episode. They also go to, the most famous here is this woman that makes these handmade noodles. So I'm super excited to go over there and you can sit down and watch her make the dumplings and the noodles by hand. However, it's gonna be slammed. I saw a line, it's gonna be full. I doubt I'm gonna be able to get a seat over there. Hopefully we can. But first we're gonna try the crabs, the eggs from the crabs. This woman is super nice. I don't think she speaks English. We did a lot of pointing. And my Korean is a little rusty because I don't know any of it, but I'm practicing. I think Hold on, I wrote it down. Thank you is the most important. When you come to a new country, you always want to learn how to say thank you. So I wrote down a few things here. Thank you should be 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Hello should be 안녕하세요. How are you? 어떻게 지내세요? I don't know, it's probably not very good pronunciation. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't eaten anything today. Not even a single peanut. I can't wait. Behind me, they have these pancakes. I think these pancakes were also on the episode, but it's not batter, it's not flour. They use some sort of bean for these pancakes. I'm so excited right now. Oh, here it comes. Let's see. Oh, caught it. 감사합니다.
아이고 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Oh.
요거 몽골로 웃겨요.
Okay, we.
앙앙앙 먹고 이렇게 먹으면 돼요.
Okay. Okay. Gloves? Okay. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. But she said. Okay. 감사합니다. And this. What is that? Milk? I can't drink this. I'm lactose intolerant. Uh-oh. Okay, this is what we have here. Oh yeah, so this is the, it looks like rice, sesame seed. You have the crab roe, or the crab eggs that you're eating here. I have no idea what I'm doing, how to eat this. No clue. Everybody's waving. I would love to find a Korean who speaks English to really help me out with a lot of things here. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't really know what I'm eating. Oh my god. That is delicious. I have to learn how to, I have to look up how to say delicious in Korean. That's so good. The sesame seed soy sauce flavor, it's super prominent. This is delicious. And I don't know if this is raw crab meat or what. I'm not even joking. This is one of the best things I've ever eaten in my life. There's rice, the roe, some other sauce. Hello. Now we try it with the rice. Oh, look at that. I think this is the egg. Oh, what's that?
Octopus.
Octopus. Thank you. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Thank you. All right, cheers. Delicious. So good. United States? Alabama? Yeah. Where are you from? Here. Yeah. Here. So, it's my first day. Do you want to say hello?
Hello. 안녕하세요.
Hello. 안녕.
광장 마켓이에요. Come on.
안녕하세요. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. That octopus was a little spicy. All right, now we're gonna try the inside of the crab, the rice, the roe, the eggs, and something else, I don't know. This is like the best thing I've ever had in my life. I don't know how to explain it.
맛있어요.
안 짜요?
안 짜고 맛있어요.
그래요?
그러니까 외국 사람들 먹죠.
맨 입으로?
The rice is cooked perfectly as well. The whole thing. Maybe I needed 2 gloves. I would eat another one of these crabs without a doubt, but I have to go try more things. I don't have much room. All right, that's the roe. That's the eggs right there. It's so good. And I do think this is raw crab. If you look at the crab meat, it's not typically a cooked crab. You get the flaky white crab. It definitely seems raw. And then there's raw. I'm gonna eat a lot of raw food today and spicy food. My stomach might not love it. That was the goofiest face. I'm having so much fun. Just sitting here eating crab in this market.
I'm sorry.
No.
Oh, you're recording. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. Do you want to be in the video?
A little interrupting you.
No, you're good. This is one of the best things I've ever eaten.
Really?
It's so good. This was on the Netflix show.
Oh, I did see that.
You saw the
Oh,
Netflix
it
show.
was familiar, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's this exact place where they go. I actually haven't seen the episode, but yeah, they go to this exact
How is
place.
the crab?
It's
You
so
really
good.
enjoy it?
It's one of the best things I've
Is
ever
it
eaten.
spicy? What is it?
No. If
Okay, so we'll order it so that we don't have to ask you exactly what it's like.
I think it's actually a raw crab, but you're eating the eggs inside, the roe, and they put rice in there, and it's soaked in soy sauce and sesame seed.
Interesting.
Yeah, so it's got a strong sesame seed soy sauce flavor.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's
And we'll try this out.
Have you found the other one?
yeah. So that's what I was going to look for. Yeah, I was,
That's what
Okay,
we're
that's
trying to
what
find
yeah,
too.
yeah. I'm definitely gonna go eat that too.
But you don't know what direction that is, do you?
No clue. But it's
There's so
probably
many stalls anyway, so yeah.
yeah, it's huge because she has a few dishes over there.
Oh,
really?
I think she's got dumplings, she's got kimchi dumplings and meat dumplings, and then she's got these other noodles that you can eat as well.
Oh, wow.
I want to go try it all, but I'm not going to be able to eat it all. And
Yeah, exactly.
yeah,
And these Korean pancakes, man, I know I didn't get some of those.
Yes.
that was on the episode as well.
This one too?
The pancakes. I don't know if it's this stall. They'll have a sign if it's the exact one.
Yeah.
But
Oh.
I'm sure we'll see you around.
okay, all right. See you around. It was actually expensive. That was 20,000. These are the pancakes that are also very famous, made from a specific type of bean. All right, I can't get one of these pancakes right now. It's gonna fill me up too much, and then I'm gonna need a nap. They are shallow fried pancakes made from bean batter, not from flour, not from pancake batter. They grind up these beans here themselves and make it fresh, and then they cook them right here. But that's not why we're here. We're looking for kimchi dumplings, meat dumplings, and these handmade noodles. We'll talk about it when we get there, if we can find it. This is a massive market. That all looks so good. So you can sit right here at any of these stalls and eat. This market is massive. And this is her. I don't know if I can get a seat. All right, I don't know if I have a seat or not. Hello. Is there room here? Okay, thank you so much. From what I know about her, she learned to make those noodles from her mother, those handmade, hand-cut noodles. And at one point her family was in debt. And so in order to help the family get out of debt, she started selling these hand-cut noodles that she had learned to make from her mother when she was a child. And from that, she was able to help her family get out of debt. And from there gained popularity, and then the Netflix show came and did a whole episode on the street food there, and especially her.
안녕하세요.
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 안녕하세요. My Korean is so bad. Oh wow. Spicy buckwheat noodles. Spicy noodles.
Hello, hello.
Hello. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
I don't know. What's best?
이거.
The noodle
This-
one is the
this-
one on the Netflix.
Okay, this one?
Yeah.
This is okay. Okay, yeah.
Where
Well,
are you from?
United States?
America.
America, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, I have front row seats.
you are beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. Oh, wow. Professional. Got front row seats. She's famous. She is famous here.
We know her from Netflix.
You know-
as well.
yeah,
We
she's-
saw that, like the what's it called? Asian food. Yeah, Asian food.
Uh-huh. 감사합니다.
너무 감사해요.
김치. You can see how long she's been doing this. She doesn't have to even look when she's cutting or rolling the dough. She's looking around, talking to people as she's doing it. She's done it so many times.
한국 사나? 언니야 여기 김치 2개. 헬로 해야지. 인사 좀 해봐.
Professional.
자, 칼국수 6,000원.
These dumplings also look really good, but I don't think I have enough room to eat both of these. But we're gonna eat the noodles first because that's what she's famous for. And then after that, if we have room, then we'll try the dumplings.
Hello. 괜찮아?
Hello, yes, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. It's time to try them. Kimchi, of course. Oh, look how steamy they are.
한번 주세요.
Oh, this is hot and steamy. You can see the steam coming up. This is what we came for. It's the dough. You can just tell how fresh that dough is. I don't know how to say delicious though. Very good, delicious.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. 세상에.
All right, so let's try some of
아유
the.
세상에. 아유 세상에.
All right, let's try the kimchi. This is my first kimchi in the Korea.
여기 계산. 12,000원.
So good.
하수 2개요.
Little spicy,
예.
just the perfect amount of spice. So fresh.
저 언니들이요. 앉아. 뒤에 김치 하나 더 드리고.
Let's try the broth as well.
섞어서 3개 하면 되죠?
Of course, the best noodle soup ever. This entire day is just filled with the best, best of everything. Best crab, best kimchi, best noodles. Because look at these. These are not your typical noodles. Handmade, right in front of you. This fresh dough that we have. If you come to South Korea, you have to come here. You can without a doubt taste the sea. You can taste the ocean when you get the seaweed in the soup, when you get that in your bite. But this is what she's famous for. I really hope that I have room to eat those noodles, but I don't think to eat those dumplings, but I don't think I can do it. Okay, Brian and Liz from Georgia. We just met. We met over by the crabs, and then we re-met over here again. But they're from Georgia, which is right next to where I'm from in Alabama.
He's already eating, so we gotta catch up with him right now.
Yeah, you haven't even ordered it, have you?
No, we haven't even ordered. No.
Okay.
Do we order over
여기
here?
간장 저 그때도 간장 주세요.
Just directly with her.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And she spoke some English as well.
We'll try to get her.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
He's gonna try to get the pancakes if he's hungry enough later on. We already did the pancakes.
How were the pancakes?
Pancake was awesome.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
It's the type
you
of
have
bean.
to put the onion sauce that comes with it.
Yeah, for the mung beans.
Double selfies.
Yeah. One thing I can't appreciate is the kimchi here.
It's so kimchi.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
So different than
It's
what
so
we get.
flavorful.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't know how to explain the difference.
The flavor, it just has a
little bit
a
different.
better flavor overall.
They know what they're doing. This is a lot of food, though.
That is a lot.
A ton. Yeah. For one person.
I'm surprised you're doing it as one person, man.
I don't have a choice. I don't know how to ask for a bill in this situation. I'm just always trying not to be rude in different cultures.
I'm doing
you
the
know?
same thing.
Yeah.
I try the same thing, man.
Yeah, like on the metro, it's silent. Like, you don't talk on the metro. Yeah.
The lady came up to us and was like, I was like,
yeah, I don't think you're supposed to talk at all
Yeah.
on public transportation.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
7,000원 받으라.
감사합니다.
Hello, seven.
Hello. Oh, I pay you. Okay. Okay, we need to talk about that. About what just happened. I gotta put the beanie back on. Bald head problems. It's very cold. Hold on. So if you do come to Seoul, South Korea, this is without a doubt a mandatory stop that you have to make. I want to try the raw beef with the egg on it. I want to try the pancake. I want to try everything in there, but I can't eat another bite. That was exactly what I wanted to do on my first day in Korea. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.